Meet the Stalker 5.0 feet, a cutting-edge naval drone developed by Ukrainian engineers, designed to target the Russian Black Sea Fleet. This new maritime drone can handle a range of combat missions, from reconnaissance and logistics to kamikaze attacks. Equipped with a 150 kg warhead, the surface Kamikaze drone can cover an impressive distance of 600 kilometers. Recently acquired by the Ukrainian Defense Forces, the Stalker 5.0 boasts a 5-meter length and 1.2-meter width, with a gasoline engine that allows it to reach speeds of up to 75 km per hour and a cruising speed of 55 km per hour. The cost of one drone is approximately €60,000. But that's not all. The Stalker is versatile. It features a compartment for additional payloads, making it capable of transporting provisions, ammunition, and equipment to coastal areas where Ukrainian forces are stationed. Beyond its kamikaze capabilities, the Stalker can be used for reconnaissance and coastal patrol in both sea and river border regions. Its control communication relies on Starlink, ensuring robust and reliable operation. The Ukrainian arsenal already includes various surface unmanned platforms like the Sea Baby, Magyra V5, and Kozak Mamai, all playing crucial roles in challenging the Russian Black Sea Fleet. The Stalker 5.0 is set to be a significant addition to this formidable lineup. Stay tuned for more updates on Ukraine's innovative defense technologies. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for the latest updates on defense technology and military news.